I'm meteorologist Adam Stiles. We have a couple of showers that are popping up into the west end of the GTA right now, and we'll start you off with Storm Tracker. There's more rain for the rest of us here as we head throughout the overnight. You can see through Campbellville, back in through the Kitchener-Waterloo area, a couple of those showers, a little heavier, and then more of it down toward the shores of Lake Erie. That's all going to eventually work in past 9 o'clock tonight here for Toronto. And then we're in store for some pretty wet weather as we head into the day tomorrow. A lot of it has to do with this system that is down to the south. It is strengthening, it is continuing to develop, and it is going to drape the warm front just to our south, which will ramp up the east wind during the day tomorrow, which is going to mean a cool, cloudy day on the way. Take a look at the satellite and radar combo there. You can see the bulk of the moisture still back in through the Carolinas. That is going to wrap around this area of low pressure, and then we'll see another wave toward the center of the area of low pressure as we make our way into the morning hours. That's the stuff that was back in through Cincinnati, but you can see at 8 o'clock in the morning, it's just knocking on the doorstep here in the GTA. So it arrives overnight tonight. It stays during the day tomorrow. We're likely going to pick up 20 to 40 millimeters of rain here across the GTA, with the heaviest rain falling through the morning commute and then lasting until about noon. Then it starts to turn over to some light rain and some scattered showers beyond that. We'll dry things out as we head into the day on Friday, but the cloud cover is going to linger through a good chunk of the day. We'll get into some more sunshine during the day on Saturday, but you can already start to see Sunday and Monday systems sneaking into the screen, something we'll be keeping an eye on as there is more rain in the forecast. On the Futurecast model, the steady, consistent rain outside of the showers arrives closer to 3 o'clock in the morning. It stays for the morning drive. It'll be lighter across the north end of the GTA, so if you travel from Toronto to Barrie or vice versa, it's going to be lighter basically north of the Oak Ridges Moraine. That rain holds on through midday, showers into the afternoon and continuing into the evening, and then it's very spotty as we go into the day on Friday with a mainly cloudy sky. As far as rainfall totals, the wide view shows anywhere from 20 to 25 millimeters of rain, but there's a couple of heavier pockets in there, and that's why I've bumped up the rainfall totals from 20 millimeters to the range of about 40 millimeters on the high side. We have temperatures near 17 degrees here this evening. 13 is how we're going to start the day. We're actually going to cool down by midday to 12, only to see the temperature bouncing back to about 14, with those east winds are up to 35 kilometers per hour. We are going to see temperatures rebounding as we get into Friday. It will be a dry day for the most part. More sunshine into the day on Saturday. The storm risk returns on Sunday into Monday. Looks like 20 degrees the daytime high both of those days. On and off showers lingering into Tuesday, and temperatures remaining below the seasonal mark. Average for this time of the year is about 21 degrees, so we'll just be a couple of degrees off of that point as we go into Wednesday of next week. But more wet weather on the way means more water working its way into the Great Lakes. That's something we're going to continue to keep an eye on. But one thing of note tomorrow: rain boots, rain jacket, umbrella.